Welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph. Today I'm here with Dion, and today we're going to look at the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then afterwards Dion is going to give us an exciting trade on the One or the Harmony coin exchange. And so I'm looking forward to a good show. Welcome. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. We are building a wonderful community here. Enjoy the show with us. Dion.
Good morning, Joseph. Let's start quickly with Bitcoin. So if we're looking at the weekly chart, we were concerned for a while this 200 MA that Bitcoin had closed below for the first time for this long. So we've had two great candles above, closing above that. So this weekend, Sunday, yesterday, just closed above that as well. So that's great news for Bitcoin. Going down to the 1 day. We are still trading in this wedge. We had good support here, so and we're going up at the moment. As we speak, in the last hour or two, we've been moving up. Let's just zoom in further on the 4 hour. So this morning, when I was looking at Bitcoin, I noticed that we were in this ascending triangle, and they normally break up. And just within the last hour or so, it has actually broken out. So we'll have to see if we just come back maybe to retest. But for now, this is looking great on Bitcoin. Then we normally look at Ethereum as the market leader to see what's happening, and that was in the same ascending triangle here. And I also started to break out now, but as you can see, previously we've also tried to break this level, so it's quite a strong resistance here for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we'll have to see what happens if we come back. So hopefully we come back to test it, and we can start carrying on towards the upside here. We can quickly run through the indicators. Is the market indicators. So yes, total 3. This is all the money coming into all the altcoins. So this is looking great. Over the past week, we've had 35, nearly 36 billion come into the altcoins. So that's great, and that's why they've all been moving up this past week. S&P 500 also was moving up and has now hit a bit of resistance here. So we're hoping to break through there. The Nasdaq also was caught in this ascending triangle and has hit resistance now. It's actually also hit quite a strong resistance over the past few weeks. So we're hoping for the Nasdaq to break through years. This is correlated to Bitcoin. So it's just got double resistance here, so it's that trend line as well as horizontal resistance here that we have to break through. So for now it's bounced back down a bit, so we're hoping for this to go up and break through. The dollar index, I think this is what's causing the problem, is the dollar index has broken through this resistance, now support, and we're hoping for the dollar just to pull back. There's news later this week on Wednesday. CPI figures are being released, so hopefully that's bad and it can pull the dollar back down. So that would be good for the altcoin market and for Bitcoin and so on, if the dollar could just pull back a bit. So that we're hoping for. The Bitcoin dominance is also looking good at the moment for the altcoin, so it has come down, trading in this big triangle here, and we're going sideways at the moment. So when Bitcoin goes sideways, that's normally very good for all the altcoins. So overall, everything is looking great here. For a good week in all the altcoins and Bitcoin also. One trade that I was looking at is one. So the one BTC pair, you'll see if we zoom out, it just has massive upside potential. It just goes up forever and ever and ever. And this is the one coin that hasn't really fired yet. So I struggled to actually find something that's down, and this is quite a good project. It started breaking out now. So this is looking good, and I think we can go for a good 20%. You can see we had a over here we had a the last high was around about well, good 20 to 30 odd percent. So I think this is a good coin to get into. I thought this morning that it was going to maybe pull back a bit, but now that Bitcoin is breaking out, this is also. So I don't know. Maybe just sit tight for maybe a day or a few hours. Let's just see what happens with this Bitcoin if it pulls back. So, but on this line here, on this trend line, if we break back down to it or just come and retest, that would be a very good entry. And then we're going for 20% on one. And that's it from me, Joseph.
Dion, tell me, on this one coin, why do you think fundamentally one is a good coin?
It's just been around forever, and we've traded it so often, and it often just makes these really volatile, great spikes to the upside. And it's just been around forever. I don't, to be honest, I haven't looked at the fund. I looked at it years ago. I can't even remember what it was, but it's been around for so long, and we've always had great success with it. It's still here, and it's just very, very low down. Yeah, so I can't remember to be honest, what the fundamentals were, but they were good. It's a good coin, yes.
Yeah. So fundamentally, I'm looking here at the one coin. Let's go to the 1 day chart. So if you go here to the 1 day chart, you're gonna see one is always traded in the 1.5 cent range. Let's draw a horizontal line. This was kind of like the high of this coin for a long time, from June 2019 until February 2021. So it's only recently that this coin started moving, and now it's back at those levels where it were back when it did a retest in February 2021. So you buying this one coin at the tremendous discount, and this coin really should trade here in a 15 cent range. So, on the long term, we could actually expect for this coin, because I trade this coin quite a bit, and I did look into its fundamentals. You can see here, that's like a 6x growth potential just to get back into the normal trading range of 15 to 70 cents. Okay, so yeah, this is an excellent coin. Thank you, Dion. Okay, so I looked yesterday at quite a lot of economists, and all of them are expecting a massive breakout for Ethereum up to the $2 level, and then from there to the $3.20 level. And the moment Ethereum breaks through, then there's going to be market confidence for Bitcoin and for a lot of the altcoins. So with this Ethereum merge that's coming in about 3 days from now, we have big expectations for a lot of confidence to come into the crypto market. On the long run, crypto will at some point stop being so 100% correlated with NASDAQ, because when people get scared and the dollar is losing strength, then a lot of people want to safeguard their money by putting it in crypto. Yeah, I see there's 1 or 2 countries in South America that is adopting Bitcoin at a very high level, which also disconnects Bitcoin from your centralized currencies. So guys, I'm going to be back in an hour, and I got an excellent coin that I want to discuss with you. It's the FIO coin, and I just want to talk about why I believe this is an excellent coin to use in a DCA strategy. I went over 700 coins that I tested, and I felt this was my number 1 coin for DCA trading. So I'll see you back. Dion, thank you very much. Excellent analysis. We're going to just keep an eye. If we can get a proper break on Bitcoin, then we're definitely going to go long. I say, have a good day.
Great, guys. Cheers. Have a great day.